Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Instagram and signing in. This ensures access to saved posts and full search features. Once done, tap the magnifier icon or go to Instagram. And use the search field. If you have the image file, save it to your phone so you can compare results. If not, prepare concise keywords describing subject, location, or visible text. These first steps get you into the right interface and set expectations for what results you can realistically find. You'll type targeted keywords, hashtags, or possible usernames into the search box to narrow results quickly. Precise terms outperform vague phrases. Then examine the tags and places tabs to catch location-tagged posts and scan accounts or reels. Different content types surface unique matches. If Instagram's search falls short, make sure to use Google Lens or another reverse image tool. Upload the image and find visually similar instances outside Instagram, which often points back to original accounts or mirrored posts. You'll now open likely posts and confirm details by reading captions, checking at mentions and timestamps to verify authenticity. Once confirmed, you can save, share, or message the account for permission. Be polite and clear. If you find nothing, retry with different keywords, synonyms, or a higher quality crop of the image because small changes can reveal matches. Troubleshooting tip: if results are scarce, use reverse image search engines and try searching related languages or location names to widen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.